In this video, I will show you how to uninstall VirtualBox on Ubuntu, and this should work on any version of Ubuntu. What you need to do is run these two commands. The first command, uninstall the VirtualBox package, and second command, uninstall any leftover dependency packages. Also, the uninstallation process doesn't remove the vboxusers Linux group, and you have to delete it using the group del command. Also, the virtual machine folder not gonna be deleted by itself, and default is VirtualBox VMs inside your home folder, and you have to delete it manually. After installing VirtualBox, you can run the dpkg command to see if it is uninstalled. Dpkg command is the command to list installed packages, and if we check for the VirtualBox package, there shouldn't be any output since we removed the VirtualBox package. We will also remove this VirtualBox VMs folder. If you want to learn more about uninstalling packages on Ubuntu, check the video link in the description. It will help you remove packages by yourself without needing extra help.